from Hamilton toward Gatesville, Killeen, and Road. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County in north central Texas until 9:15 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles north of Mineral Wells, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Springtown and Weatherford around 8:35 p.m., Hudson Oaks around 8:40 p.m., Aledo around 8:55 p.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. Heavy rains may flood low-lying areas such as streets, ditches, and underpasses. Avoid these areas, and do not cross flooded roads as they may be washed out.